Hi, seventh graders. My name is Mrs. Johnson, and I am going to be your science teacher for this year. I'm really excited to get to meet some of you today, some of you tomorrow, and for those of you that are distance learners, I will meet you during a Google Meet on Friday. This year in science, we're going to be doing life science, and so it's a little bit different from what you did in class last year. Today, my main purpose of this screencast is to kind of show you where you can find information. On Friday of this week, you are going to be looking at a Schoology screencast that kind of gives you a tour of Schoology. So obviously you found this agenda. So hopefully you logged into Schoology, found our class, and then here you are on the agenda. All right, so when you go to the agenda, the first thing you're going to do is find today's date. And so they're just in order. So today's date is Tuesday, 9/8/2020. This slide will give you everything you need to know, and everything will also be linked to this agenda. Now you can find items in folders that are organized by date, but the easiest way to find things is just to click on the links right in this agenda. All right, you'll notice there's 3 different groups, and you'll see these same 3 columns every day. So group A is the remote group for today. That means that you're working on your assignments from home. Group B is the face-to-face group. So you're in class with me right now, and I can pretty much explain the directions to you, but I will have things linked in there as well. And 100% distance is if you are 100% distance learner, your information will be linked here. Oftentimes, it's going to be the same as the remote group, and sometimes it'll be the same for all 3 groups. Okay, so let's say that you are group A and you're remote, or you're 100% distance learning. Your assignment for today is right here. So you're going to click on these stations and it will bring you to this slideshow. So what there are is there are 6 different stations to just kind of give you an overview of the class and just get you thinking a little bit about general class policies. Okay, so this first station, you are writing on a Padlet, so you click on the link to access that Padlet. The second one is going through the welcome letter and becoming familiar with it. It says to write down any questions on a Post-it note. If you have questions, shoot me an email, or you can ask during the Google Meet on Friday as well. So station 3 has to do with your names, and it's also reminding you how to use a Flipgrid. If you forgot how to use a Flipgrid, you can watch this screencast, or you can just click on the Flipgrid and create yours. Station 4, what does ready look like, sound like, and feel like in life science class? You're going to be creating a Jamboard. And if you've never done Jamboard before, kind of play around with it. I think you'll be able to figure it out pretty quickly how to do that. Station 5 is a first day's survey. Now this is a little bit on the longer side, but I really want to know some more about you and some of your preferences and your likes and your dislikes. My most important job as a teacher is to form a connection with you and form a relationship with you, and so knowing a little bit about you can help me do that and can help me tailor instruction to your unique needs. And then the last station, there it is, responsible. You're going to add a post in a Schoology discussion. Now, in order to post in the Schoology discussion, you need to make sure you're logged into your school's Schoology account, which if you are accessing the slideshow, you are already logged in. So if for some reason the link doesn't work, make sure you just go back and log into Schoology and then come back and click on the link. All right, so those are the stations that are going to be due. I have the due date of Friday listed there. If you get started right away, you should be able to get finished probably today. Okay, I think that would maybe take about 45 minutes to do. All right, as always, if you need something, please send me an email. If you're at home, I'll try to check email in class every day or every hour, but for sure I will every day. So if you get stuck on something and you send me an email, you don't have to sit and stare at your computer waiting for me to email back. Okay, if you're really stuck, just move on and do stuff for a different class and come back and check your email later, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, I will see some of you tomorrow, and I will touch base with the rest of you on Friday. Have a great day.